Good morning, my dear students. I am Jerry Wheeler, your mathematics teacher for class 9, and today we will start our topic graphical representations of linear equations in two variables. So let's start. So as we have learned earlier that what is the Cartesian plane, and we have learned what is the solutions of the linear equations. So today we will go moving forward towards the graphical representations. So what is graph? You have seen this graph many times. Okay, now I have explained you about the equations that is form ax plus by plus c, okay, where x and y are the two variables and a and b are the coefficients of x and y and c is what? Constant. So we have to explain, or you can say we have to express an equation in this form, and then we have to draw with the help of solutions the graph. Okay, so how we can represent this one on this Cartesian plane, or you can say this Cartesian plane means graph is divided into four equal quadrants. Okay, so now learn. We are having equation 4x minus 3y plus 12. This is the equation 4x minus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. So by representing the equation means drawing the graph of the equation on the Cartesian plane. Now let's solve this equation. So 4x minus 3y plus 12 we are having 4x plus 3y minus 4x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. So what we will do here, actually we will express y in terms of x. And how we can express this y in terms of x? First we will choose some convenient values of x, and then we will find the corresponding value of y satisfying the given equations. Okay, suppose as you can see here, first we have assumed the x value what, just you can see, just pay attention on the x value. What is the x value we have assumed? 0. So we are putting in place of x what? 0. Now look at here, 4x minus 3y plus 12 was there. Now in place of 4 into x we have written 4 into 0 minus 3y as it is same, and this 12 we have taken to the right hand side. To this it was plus 12, so it become minus 12. So now 4 into 0 0 minus 3y equals to minus 12, minus 3y equals to minus 12. Now what we will do, we will move this minus 3 to the right hand side. So right now this minus 3 is in multiplication relation with y. So when we move it to the right hand side, so it will become in divide relation. So minus 12 divided by minus 3. So from minus we can cut minus, and then 3 4s are 12. So what value we get for y? 4. So by putting the value of x, we can get the corresponding value of y also. So we got the coordinates 0 comma 4. Okay, but for drawing graph we can't depends only on one solution. We have to find at least two solutions. So let's find another solution. So already we have put it 0 and we got the value of y 4. Now what we are doing, we are putting the value of y as 0. Earlier we have put it the value of x 0. Now we are assuming the value of y as 0. So just look at the equation, 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Now 4x minus 3 into 0, in place of y what we have written? 0, because 3y means 3 into y. So 3 into 0 plus 12 equal to 0. So 4x minus 3 into 0, 0 only, because whatever the number we are having, if you multiply by 0, so what will come? 0 only. So 3 zeros are 0. So what left? Plus 12. So it left 4x plus 12 equal to 0. Now this 12 will move to the right hand side. So it will become minus 12. Now what we can do? We can move this 4 also to the right hand side. So 4, it is right now it is multiplication form, in multiplication relation with the x. So it will go to division relation. So x equals to minus 12 divided by 4. So 4 3s are 12. We got our x value as minus 3. Now what we have put it? We have put convenient value of y, that is 0, and after putting 0 as y, we got the x value as minus 3. So we got our two solutions as 0 comma 4 and minus 3 comma 0, and we have represented them in a table. Okay, now we will plot the ordered pairs of x y from a table on a graph paper. Okay, how? Just let's see here. We have taken a graph, as you can see here. Okay, we have taken a graph right now. We are having 2 points, 0 comma 4 and minus 3 comma 0. Just look at here, we are having 2 points, 0 comma 4 and minus 3 comma 0. So what we are doing, first point 0 comma 4, there x value is what? 0, and what is the value of y? Y value is 4. So how we can represent? 0 comma 4, x value is 0 but y value is what? 4. We have learned that if any coordinate is 0, so the next coordinate we can represent on the line. Now as a y value is what? 4. So this y value is 4 and x value is 0. So this point will represent this value, this point we can represent on the vertical line, that is y axis only, because here y value is 4 but the x value is 0. So this point, as you can see here, this one, the point which you have put it on the 4. This point is shows 0 comma 4 coordinates. Okay, next point is what? Minus 3 comma 0. Now what happened? The y becomes 0, so minus 3 comes, so it is the value of x. So now this point will come on x-axis only, that is horizontal line. Just look at here, x-axis. Now it is minus 3, so it will come to the left hand side of x-axis, because right hand side we are writing plus 1, left hand side minus 1. So minus 3, on minus 3 only we will show this point minus 3 comma 0. So we got our 2 points 4 and 3. Now what we will do? We will join these points by a straight line and extend it in both the directions. Okay, we have extended in both in the directions. Now with the help of this line also, with this straight line we can find other points also. Okay, see 4x minus 3y plus 12. So 4x minus 3y equals to minus 12, it was there. Now in place of what we have done, we got this point. Just look at here, the graph, just you look at here. By putting minus 3 comma 0 and 0 comma 4, we have taken this straight line. When we have taken this straight line, we have seen that after going upside, this one first quadrant, just check the first quadrant, we got this point, this point. If we go downside, so it is coming on 3 only. Okay, and if we go to the straight line, this one here like this, here it is coming what? 8. What coming? 8. So we got which points? 3 comma 8. Okay, what point we got? 3 comma 8. Here we have not put it by trial and error method, but we got these points with the help of the two solutions, that is 0 comma 4 and minus 3 comma 0. When we have put this straight line, so we got this point automatically, 3 comma 8. Now let's check whether these points are satisfying the equations or not. So just check it. In place of y, x, what we have to write? 3. In place of y, what we have to write? 8. Okay, let's see. So in place of x we have taken 3, 4 into 3, and place of y we have taken 8. So 4 3 are 12 and 3 are 24. So what will come? And this 12 we have taken right hand side, minus 12. Okay, so 4 3 are 12 and 3 8 are 24. So this 24 is coming off minus 1. Okay, 3 are 24. Okay, now what will happen? This 12 minus 24, what will happen? Minus 12 only. So 3 comma 8 we can say is the solution of the equations 4x minus 3y plus 12. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now what they are saying, all the points that lie on the line, all the points that lie on the line are solutions of this linear equations. Now lie on which line? The line which we have taken with the help of the two solutions, this line, as you can see, this brown line. Okay, whatever points are coming on this line are the solutions of the equation. How? Just look at here, see this one. So you can take this point also downside. If you look at here the third quadrant, so minus 2 and it is coming around minus 4.5 something is coming. This can be also the solution of the equation. So all the points which are lie on the line, all the points that lie on the line are solutions of the linear equations, and the points which are lie outside the line, see the points which are not coming on the line are not the solutions of the equations. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Now next topic is what they're saying, the point that lie outside the line are not the solutions of the equation. How we can assume it? How we can think that yes it is correct? Just try. We have taken some points, as you can see here, 1 comma 2, as the distance from x-axis is 1, and the horizontal distance from y-axis is what? 2. So we have taken solutions 1 comma 2. These points are not coming on the line. So let's check. After putting these values in the place of x and y, we can get our solutions or not. So 4x minus 3y is there, equals to 12. In place of x we have to put 1. In place of y we can put 2. Let's check what coming. So 4 into x minus 3y equal to 12. So first what we have done, we have taken this one, we are solving the left hand side. So 4 into 1 minus 3 into 2. So 4 1 is 4 and 3 2 is 6. 4 minus 6 is coming minus 2. So our left hand side is coming minus 2, but what is our right hand side? That is minus 12. So minus 2 is not equals to minus 12. This shows that the points which are coming outside the line are not the solutions of the equations. So clear? So 1 comma 2 is not the solutions of the equations. Okay, so any linear equations of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents a straight line. Okay, this one ax plus by plus c, if an equation it is in this form, so it will show a straight line. Okay, note the word linear originates from the fact that the graph of the linear equations in two variables is represented by a straight line. That's why we are saying linear only. Okay, now at what they are saying at last, Any linear equations of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 represents a straight line, which we have done already, as you can see. Then every point that satisfies the linear equation lies on the line. Whoever the points or the coordinates which are satisfying the equation must lie on the line. Every point that lies on the line is a solution of the linear equations, as we have learned. And at last, what they are saying, a point that does not lie, just we have seen the example 1 comma 2 on the line, is not a solution of the equation. So I hope it is clear to you. Okay, so we can try to solve some more questions by drawing on the graph. Thank you, students.